how are you? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I'm down here in the south of Ireland today. This is Mahon Falls. It's a very busy little spot. There's about 16 cars in the car park. It's the fanciest car park I've ever seen up in the mountains. It's way over there in the distance, but yeah, it's stunning up here, absolutely stunning. I got to a point on the other side where I just couldn't go any further. You know, I couldn't climb that cliff over there, so I had to cross the river, and when I did, it looked like the trail was just completely gone. It looked like a landslide. I couldn't take any shots while I was coming up there because it was well dodgy. There's no hope of me coming back down this way in the morning. Not a hope. I'd fill up my water there while I had the chance. Popped on my jacket again because it's freezing. There's an old chill in the air, you know. So yeah, I'm delighted now I made it up to the top. I could camp down around this area, but I want to head up here, and then in the morning I'm going to see if I can find a safer route down to the car. I really wouldn't recommend anyone try and go up the way that I just came up, because it was well dodgy. Well dodgy, like the rocks were moving underneath my feet and everything, so if you start sliding there, you're not going to stop. Oh lads, it's absolutely class. Just look at it. It's good to be back, good to be back. Just came up over the summit and I saw that. It is absolutely breathtaking. I think I'll have to find a little spot around here somewhere. Oh yes. Whew. This is possibly the dodgiest little camping spot, but it's gonna do the job for tonight. I can put my feet down, I can sit back, I have an ocean view. Like, I'm looking out onto the Atlantic. Like, it looks savage. The inner of the tent, it wouldn't be the best. It wouldn't be the best. It does have a bit to go down, so when I lay on it, I'll flatten out the grass and that's underneath. And it is flat. I've lay on it. It'll do. It'll do. It'll be worth it for these views. Even if I just have them for the next hour, I'll be happy. I could sit here for days. Days and days and days. You might have noticed me carrying up my bottle there near the end. I noticed that there was a pinhole in it, so that's not ideal. And the closest water source to me now is way back. So I've about I've a little over 2 litres, and some of that has electrolytes in it, so that'll be an interesting cup of tea. But yeah, it is what it is. That's the second one of those bottles to fail on me. Those are the Hydropack Flux bottles, and the little hole is in the exact same spot that it was on my last bottle. So it is what it is. I'll have to get a decent water bladder or bottle or something. Just have my dehydrated meals again. I make these myself, just if you're new to the channel. I don't go out and buy those pre-packed ones because I just think they're too expensive for what they are, really. And I have a dehydrator at home, so I just make my own meals. I have about 20 at home in the fridge, so I have to use them up. Just pop them in there, and that just rehydrates then. Just keeps it warm for me. Drip of water there, a little bit worrying. We'll see, we will see. Cup of tea now. I was in England on holiday recently. Picked up a few PG Tips tea bags. Something different to me berries. But yeah, I raided the hotel. So, has to be done. Has to be a little bit. Cost a fortune, you know. Get me money's worth. My own body weight in tea bags. Oh lads. Need to put my hat on, I'm absolutely freezing. Just give me a second. Lovely. Do you know, I could have done with an extra layer. I do have my waterproof jacket there, so I might pop it on. But it's pretty chilly. So I'll see when the sun drops, I might just pop on that jacket. Just for, you know, a bit more insulation. It might just stop the breeze. The tent is doing a pretty good job at it. I probably could have went down a lot lower or up right on the summit, but I like being down here. It's a little bit out of the wind. It's not too low that I can't see the view, and I'm pretty sure no one will ever camp here again. It's a sliver of flat ground in among the headers and the grasses and that. So yeah, I love those spots, you know. No one else is going to camp here, guaranteed, guaranteed. I've had my tea. I had to pop my coat on because I was absolutely Baltic up here. It is freezing. Oh, I should have brought the gloves. I was looking at them today and I thought, nah, I won't need them. And I know they're just sitting at home now. But yeah, that's the only thing now that's cold is my hands. I could have done with possibly another layer for my top, but the raincoat's actually done a pretty good job of keeping the heat in. There's some lovely colours in the sky now that the sun is starting to go down. I've got another hour before the sun set. I won't see it because it's the other side of the mountain, but I'm really hoping to see the sun rise just over here. There's two very strange looking clouds in front of me here. It's like two big marshmallows in the sky. If you're going out camping anytime soon, bring gloves with you. Oh mama. I might try this dehydrated meal. See what it's like. Yeah. I don't know if it looks appealing or not, but it's warm and it's food. Yeah. I don't even know what I put in it. It was that long ago that I made them. I have no idea what's in this. I know there's chicken. That's it. I don't even know what sauce I use or anything. I just know I use chicken. Oh, it's roasting based. Roasting. There you are. Try and block my face. See? See how the noodles and all that come back. Oh yeah, that is the business. It looks to me like there might be some unforecasted rain coming in. That's nice, isn't it? That's Ireland for you. The middle of summer, the hottest day of the year, still bring your waterproofs with you, because you just never know when the rain will show up. It's never too far away, I'll tell you that. But yeah, hopefully that'll pass us by. I don't know if you can make it out on the camera there, but it looks very dark and gloomy over there. I know I'm giving out about how cold it is, but I actually can't wait for the winter. It's just nicer because it's longer nights. You get more time to sit at your tent. The weather's worse, so there's no one else around. You get the whole place to yourself most of the time. The weight of the bag, I'm not, wouldn't be overjoyed with that, but I reckon my winter setup will be pretty light this year, hopefully. There's a lot of clouds blowing in around the mountain now. You can see them just kind of coming up over me there, and there's a few coming up this side as well. So things could change here quite dramatically in the next few minutes, but we'll stay positive and hope for the best. It's all beautiful over that side. Now you look over that side and it looks horrendous over there. It's just 9:45, so it's about that time to be getting into the old tent anyway, but I would love to see the lights come on and just sit here for as long as I possibly can. But yeah, it's not looking too sexy there behind me. I did manage to dodge that shower that went by, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to be engulfed in a few minutes. I just looked down at my cup and there's a massive slug just kind of slithering its way in. I didn't get any footage of it because I was so horrified. I just knocked him off and called him every name under the sun. But yeah, I was just about to have a cup of tea, but I might have to use my fire maple pot. I'm not sure if I have enough time before the rain comes, but I'm going to chance it. That's the water with the electrolytes in it. So it's going to be interesting. But I took the little cardboard tag off the tea bag just so I wouldn't lose it in the pot, you know. Oh, I miss camping. I haven't been camping in about 5 or 6 weeks. I had to take a few weeks off because of my back again. If you don't know, I have a degenerative disease in my back, so all my discs are like just breaking down. So every now and then it gives me a bit of bother, unfortunately. So I'm working on it. Trying to get a bit of strength up and keep my fitness up and all that jazz. I won't bore you about it, but yeah, that's the crack. And I to be honest, I got a bit burnt out with YouTube. Yeah, I had too much going on, and too much going on in real life, shall we say. And then YouTube on top of that was just too much, you know. And I've had similar issues to what you see other YouTubers having. And yeah, just the stress of it all just kind of got to me a bit. And you know that feeling that you have to get a video up every week, and like it takes a lot of time to put a video together. Like the edit alone is like 10 or 12 hours, you know what I mean? And that's a lot of time in the little nuggets of time that you have free. You know, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to edit. I come home from work 9 o'clock at night, I'm editing, you know what I mean? So when I've had to prioritise my health as well, and I have to fit that in, it just all just and I just got a bit burnt out. So just one of them things, you know. But yeah, no, I'm delighted I came out tonight. Absolutely delighted, and I'm delighted I came somewhere new. I've never been up this side before. I've been over at Coomshingon twice, about 2.5 years ago, but I've never, other than that, never been here, so it's all new to me. Phone gone off. This tea is minging. It's like salty tea. Ugh. Ugh. Oh lads, that's rotten. The unforecasted rain has arrived. I knew it wouldn't be long coming around, you know. Ah yeah, it's just my luck when I'm out camping. Actually, do you know what? Every single time I bring out this tent, it rains. Every time. I haven't had this tent out in good weather yet. So that'll be interesting though. Maybe good weather, a nice flat pitch, nice sunrise maybe. You know, is that asking too much, you know? Do you think this tent is cursed? Or is it me? It's probably me. I've been having bad luck with the weather well before I got this tent. And in fairness, this tent is like a work of art when it's pitched properly. It's a beautiful looking tent, but at the moment it's looking a bit sad. You know, it's all droopy, it's all saggy, you know. We don't like saggy. That's me all sorted now for the night. I went with the nature hike sleeping bag tonight. It should do the trick tonight, you know, it's not meant to be that cold. And I'm actually a lot warmer now just from being inside the tent. So should be grand, should be grand. So hopefully we'll get a nice sunrise in the morning. Hopefully this rain just blows off. But if the weather demolishes this tent during the night, I take full responsibility. It's pitched completely arseways, so yeah, I couldn't blame the tent now if anything happened to it tonight. But yeah, hopefully we'll stay positive. We'll stay positive. We're just about to get covered in the clag again. Oh, it's chilly this morning. It is chilly. I didn't want to get out of the sleeping bag. Whew, it's cold. It is cold. I definitely could have done with a few more layers last night and this morning. I slept alright. I didn't sleep too bad. The wind was pretty bad through the night. I was lying back just listening to it, and then I remembered how badly the tent was pitched. So then I got a little bit concerned then, but yeah, no, the tent held up well. The views are kind of fleeting. It's about 20 minutes till the sunrise, and yeah, the clag just keeps blowing in over around me, and then it clears off, just teasing me a little bit. But yeah, I'm not too concerned. If I get a nice sunrise, I get a nice sunrise. I still have a nice view when it opens up. Like, I can see the ocean there in front of me. Can't complain. I can't complain. I'm gonna get the tea on the go now. Might heat me up a bit, and hopefully I have enough for the tea and the porridge this morning. I just realised I need the pot for the porridge, and I also need the pot for the tea because of that slug last night. Decisions. Do I need the porridge or the tea? Oh my god. I think I'll go with the porridge. I think it'd be more beneficial to me going down the mountain, you know. Believe it or not, the sun has risen. Oh, I didn't see a bit of it. I thought there might be nice colours in the sky and all that, but no joy this morning. That'd be good. I'm looking forward to this, I have to say. I've actually really been enjoying using porridge while I'm out. I don't eat it at home, but when I'm out camping, it's aces. And it's handy, like, you know. It is dead handy. Where's my spoon? Probably about 20 slugs on that last night. Come up here. I have the inside of the tent packed up already. I normally do that as soon as I wake up, because it's hard enough getting out of the sleeping bag, you know. So it's nice getting it done early, and then I have all that just out of the way, and I can see everything else. Because if you leave your sleeping bag out, or your quilt or whatever, it just covers up all the little things. You just can't see anything. Like, I wasn't the only person out camping last night. I see a few camper vans down there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vans down there, and one of them only pulled up there, I'd say it was about 9 o'clock last night. So I'd say there's other people on the mountain somewhere in a tent. Hopefully they're having better luck than I am. That's me all packed up as usual, left no trace, just a flat piece of grass there. I thought the view was going to open up, but no joy. It keeps just teasing me. Cheers for joining me on this little camp. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll stick around and join me for the next one, and I'll see you then. Good luck.